9:12 after 9 in the morning. So like I said, if it's not the humans to trouble my clothes one after washing, it's rain. Well, these are my clothes from Saturday and Sunday. Today is Monday, 18th of January 2021. So today the owner is not there, and he like to use the mail to trouble me, especially shit my mop. He likes to use men to trouble me more than anything else. So the owner of the place is not there, and his children, and that Haitian punk, the male that is staying next door to me, is at work. Just the female not there, the Haitian woman and the daughter. So I figure I don't have enough humans to trouble my clothes today, so it's in rain. So rain is falling today. My story sounds strange and crazy, but it's true. I need my clothes to dry for me to go about my business this morning there. And that rain is falling. She inside there playing quiet. So when the matter of time before she start talking in the place 24/7. The Asian woman.